What is good, guys and girls of YouTube? It is your boy Justin Omoi here to put some edumacation back into your head again. Ow. Today I'm going to talk to y'all about intervals for music. The reason why I'm talking about intervals is because I'll be soon making a video on how to make a melody from your head into the music program. And in order to do that, you'll have to know something about intervals or understanding the distance between two notes or pitches. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about a distance between this key and this key. This isn't going to be too hard because there's only 12 different types of intervals here, or 12. Let's see. First, we're going to do this one. That's called a unison. Basically, when the note is the same, there's no distance, it's unison. Alright. Next, we have the minor second, when it goes from one to the next. So you see there. The one after that is a major second. Alright, and the same thing goes on. So next would be a minor third, a major third. And then after that, it's a fourth right here. All right. I believe they call it a perfect fourth. And the reason why they call it a perfect fourth is because it sounds great, godly. No, because it's always in, the minor or major scales. It's going to be the same. So C major. Oh, let me do that again. C major. C minor. So you can see these three keys, which is the 1, the 4, the 5, and if we want to be technical, the 8th. These notes are always the same, whether it's a major or a minor scale. So perfect fourth. And the next one is going to be a right here. This is a weird interval that we'll call a tritone, aka 7 spaces up. So if we were to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And yes, you count this as 1. You could tell this distance when it feels weird. It sounds weird. Next up, we got the perfect fifth. Then we have the minor sixth. Major sixth. Minor seventh. Major seventh. This one's a little bit easier to understand if you have a good sense of what goes after that, which is going to be the octave. Alright, now the reason why I'm bringing all this up, you may have been confused since the second, third, fourth, is because you have to learn these distances between one to another note. It doesn't matter what note it is. So yeah, those are the distances. Minor second, major second, minor third, major third, perfect fourth, a tritone, perfect fifth, minor six, major six, minor seven, major seven, and octave. Trust me though, it does not sound as bad as it looks here. It sounds better when you hear it yourself. And the reason why is because you're going to be singing it to yourself in your head. Now I have a website here, not that one, this one, that I'll be able to put in the description for y'all, because why not? Easy. Terraria. To be honest, I googled it. But yeah, if I go just to this website right here, go to music theory and ear training, and we're gonna do the ear training side because that's what we're doing, training our ears for intervals. All right, and I'm gonna do interval from a random note. That way we get more work into it. Then I'm gonna click intervals. even though it's already selected. And I'm gonna do ascending for now, since there's no like random option. I don't know why. Anyways, I'll be hitting OK. Dum dum. If you understand major scales, you can hear dum dum. It sounds like the second note of the major scale, which is a major second, right? Dum dum. And to make sure, I'll just show you in FL Studio. This is a C sharp note. If you don't know that, well, now you know. So I'll move that up. Here we have C sharp. That's a major second up. So you see this is a minor second up, major second. AKA the next note in the C sharp major scale. And then I'll have another note. There you go. So basically, major second. Correct. Dum, dum, So let's see about that one. This note is a, what is it? G? No, not G. My bad. I can't even see from here. F. So I'm gonna go here. And let's go to F. All right. And for those who don't remember the sound, like myself, dum dum. You gotta put those sounds in your head and make sure you remember those distances. It doesn't matter the pitch. Dum dum not ha it's If you think it's a weird like higher interval, I understand how come you would think that, but just think of it as in it sounds minorish, the interval, because it went up into a minor second. So try to think of the interval after then you are able to get that connection. So you can think of that major scale again. So yeah, if that doesn't sound great for you, I suggest you testing all these sounds yourself. So we could tell from this example, dun dun is the minor second. Here's another one. Dun dun. It's another one, another minor second. Dun 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 dun. Why are they giving me just seconds? Ha ha. Minor third. Finally, another one, another new interval. One last thing I'll tell y'all before I guess I could let y'all go is understanding intervals could be easier if you understand or listen to specific melodies or remember melodies. So here's an example. If y'all are familiar with that one, was it NBC or something like that? That sound, doom 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 doom. I think it's the thing with the peacock. Think of it like that. That Miley Cyrus interval. It's a major sixth. So let me play it one more time. Doom ding. So hopefully. What the hell was that? But alright guys and girls, this is basically the intervals, the ear training. I suggest doing a lot of this, like, I don't know, like 10 minutes a day or something, or listening to these distances so it can help you train your ears to know like what is the next note in your mind. So, you know, like if you're like, and I want down, doom, and last thing, just know I'm going ascending upwards, just like the example I just gave you. The that's going downward. So yeah, also try to do the downward one as well. Down, down. So yeah, thank you guys and girls for watching. Hopefully this helps you expand your mind a little bit more when it comes to intervals, music, what it may be. And yeah, my name is Justin. Omoi. Thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you want to stay along with your boy and see more of this stuff. Yeah, I got a cassette, so you're gonna see this on Friday possibly, or Wednesday. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. My name is Justin Omoi, and with that being said, peace. Da-na-na, da-na-na. Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean. I'm out.